Thank you so much, Pete. Hey, we're still spending time with our ohana right here from HGTV's Renovation Aloha. This is Tristyn and Kamohai Kalama. And family, we are super excited about the premiere of season 2 that's coming up next Tuesday. So really quick. But I wanted to ask you folks a question. As you're aware, there was a recent article that came out, a news article, questioning your folks' ability to obtain approvals on building permits so expeditiously, right?
Yeah.
And we wanted to give you folks a chance to just clear the air and share your mana'o on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was really disheartening, honestly, to see that come out. Such a targeted and a story that didn't tell the full picture, right? Tristyn and I, our passion is our local community and the housing market. We have a very interesting housing market here, and one of the things that people always talk about is affordability, right? And our job is to bring supply of houses that are oftentimes vacant, very rundown, not bank financeable, and bring them back to the market, which helps with that supply, right? We have always worked with, are currently working with, and will continue to work with DPP and city officials on all of our projects. And you know what? Honestly, we've seen so much positive change with DPP.
Yes.
Like, things are getting so much better. And so, I mean, our community deserves it, and we're just gonna continue to do what we know is right.
And you'll see that on season 2.
I love that. Yeah, so now that we got that out of the way, we just wanted to give you guys a chance.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
You guys,
Clear the air on
you
that.
guys, you put it up on Instagram, and we like support our locals, our Hawaiian, that you are trying to build homes for our local people to stay here in Hawaii. So we appreciate that. So let's talk about season 2. What can we expect?
Oh, wow.
A whole lot of new. I mean, we're taking on projects we've never done before.
And we're going to Hawaii Island, yeah?
We are.
Yeah.
We have family over there, so it's just a blessing and an opportunity to be able to showcase even more of our beautiful home, the different islands, and so just a lot of new, a lot of new.
I like to say a lot of season 1, but on steroids.
Yeah,
There you go.
Can I
We're
ask you,
ramping up.
Yeah.
what drives you crazy working with your husband? Because I know my wife and I, and of course, Lena Girl works with Brother
so
Better
Sam.
answer this one.
Yeah, I know. Can you pray again? No. Honestly, he's my better half, you guys, and he makes it easy to work with him. But
come
the
on.
main thing is when I'm ready to turn it off and he's not. And I'm like, no, it's like 9:30. I just want to watch TV right now. You know what I mean? Like, that's the biggest part. But no, he makes doing this business, because this business is not easy. The construction industry is crucial to our economy and to the housing crisis, and we're really mission focused about uplifting our community. I wouldn't be able to do it without him by my side.
Too nice.
How's that?
Yeah. Did you feel that? You didn't feel that?
Some extra love.
You never felt the squeeze. That's what you never
That's the
felt.
pre-party right there, brother. You better say something good, because your turn. Please share something about Tristyn, because he must be amazing.
So you're making me blush.
The for sure strongest woman that I have ever met. I mean, she can do literally everything. And I'm lucky to be able to be in business with her. We have very complementary skill sets. So like, what I'm really good at, she's maybe okay at.
Yeah.
And what she's really, really good at, which is a lot of things, I'm okay at, right? And so
Balance.
we just fit.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys make me cry. So close to Valentine's. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling the love. I'm feeling
Yeah.
the
I bet you
love.
if I ask my wife that question, she'd be like, I don't know what to talk about it. He irritates me all day, all night. Nah. Hey, you guys, congratulations. Thank you again for representing Hawaii in such a wonderful way on the national stage. And we get Chip and Joe, we get Ben and Aaron, and we get Tristyn and Kamohai.
Thank
This
you,
is so
guys.
awesome.
We're honored
Yes.
so much. Thank you for letting us be here.
Yeah.
We look forward to seeing you guys. Okay, we're gonna take a quick break, but before we do that, it's National Inventors Day, so this is our Yuso Akamai question.